Digitalization is rapidly impacting all areas of life and business, enriching your business with world-leading knowledge and research in digital technologies. HELA is an acceleration and investment program aimed to boost the business of companies determined to stay ahead of the curve in selected business areas: wireless ICT, IoT services and products, automotive and traffic, industry, and digital health.
With HELA, we had a fast track for business case evaluation and sharpening it further in co-creative sparring sessions. In this particular case, HELA plays a significant role in both conducting the research and combining the results with our needs. Through HELA, we have found best possible partners to complement our own expertise. And we also appreciate networking possibilities with the potential future customers. Currently, it is very hard and costly for forest and mining industry to retrieve data from their machines in distant locations where cellular network coverage is poor. This makes the true digitalization of these industries a distant dream. This is why we invented COMMOX.
COMMOX Communication Module is a smart, real-time and cost-effective way for industries to stay connected to their machines even in difficult locations. COMMOX makes digitalization possible in a way that wasn't possible before. COMMOX uses an automatic smart switch that uses cellular network when possible and only switches to costly satellite connection when cellular network isn't available. COMMOX makes industry digitalization truly possible in real time. When you have an idea in one of HELA's focus areas and you want to transform it into a successful business, don't hesitate to contact us. Our business developers will help you find partners who can realize your vision and spar with you the business case. Our aim is to develop a commercialized product or service within 18 months.